We all know the feeling of getting invested in a TV show, only to have it unexpectedly cancelled before its time. Here are 5 shows that left fans wanting more. Joss Whedon's space western had a devoted fan base, but only aired for 1 season before it was cancelled.
You seem so young to be a doctor.
Simon Tam, we're bound by law to stand down.
Despite its short run, Firefly has since become a cult classic and continues to gain new fans to this day. This coming-of-age comedy drama was set in a Michigan high school in the 1980s and had a talented young cast, including James Franco, Seth Rogen, and Linda Cardellini. Despite critical acclaim, low ratings led to its cancellation after just 1 season, but it's since gained a huge following and is considered a classic in its genre. This whimsical fantasy series followed a pie maker who could bring the dead back to life with a touch, but only for a minute.
But when his first love, Charlotte, suddenly passed...
You ask who killed him.
Okay.
You only got a minute.
I know.
60 seconds.
Old Ned had to make a decision.
Who are you?
And make it fast.
Pushing Daisies was praised for its unique style and storytelling, but struggled to find an audience and was cancelled after only 2 seasons. David Lynch's surreal murder mystery had a massive impact on TV and pop culture when it debuted in 1990, but its 2nd season saw a drop in ratings and it was cancelled.
Good Lord, Laura Palmer.
Despite its abrupt ending, Twin Peaks has since returned for a 3rd season and remains a cultural touchstone. This gritty Western series, set in a South Dakota town during the 1870s, was praised for its writing, direction, and performances.
Find out something now about yourselves and your fellow man. You may...
Deadwood was cancelled after 3 seasons due to budgetary issues, but its loyal fan base campaigned for years for a proper ending. And in 2019, a feature film was released to give the story the conclusion it deserved. These shows may have been cancelled too soon, but they live on in the hearts of their fans. What other shows do you think were cancelled before their time? Let us know in the comments.